me who that
See
is.
who we've got here.
And I would have gotten away with it too if it wasn't for you meddling kids.
How could you have done such a thing after the delightful weekend we spent at your bed and breakfast?
What can I say?
No, sorry. Hello? Oh, hey, Sandy. No, I'm great. No, everything's fine. We had a great vacation here at the bed and breakfast. Oh, what? San Francisco? Alcatraz? A hotel and disco? Sure, we'd love to come check it out for your soft opening. That sounds amazing. Yeah, the whole gang. Yeah. Oh, Sandy, babe, you're a lifesaver. You're wonderful. Can't wait to see you again.